buhay sa kahanginan.
Wonderful day, Math Crunchers! How are you today? I am Teacher Jeriza, your grade 10 mathematics teacher for today. We will learn together how to illustrate an arithmetic sequence. And don't you worry, Math Crunchers, for I will guide you in performing and answering the activities in your module. But before we start, make sure to have with you your module, your ballpen, and your answer sheets. Are you ready? Then, let's begin. Our module in Mathematics 10, Quarter 1, Module 2 is all about illustrating an arithmetic sequence. For this week, we will be discussing all about illustrating an arithmetic sequence. Wherein, at the end of our session, you are expected to define an arithmetic sequence and illustrate an arithmetic sequence. At this point, we will find out how much have you learned about the topics in this module. For this test, you are going to choose the letter of the best answer. Take note of the items that you were not able to answer correctly and find the right answer as you go through this module. You will be given 5 seconds to answer each item. Get ready. Number 1. Which of the following is a correct description of an arithmetic sequence? A. A term is obtained by multiplying a constant number from the preceding term. B. A term is obtained by squaring the preceding term. C. A term is obtained by adding a constant number to the preceding term. D. A term is obtained by extracting the square root of the preceding term. Time is up. What is your answer? Letter C. A term is obtained by adding a constant number to the preceding term. Very good. Next question, number 2. Which of the following is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence 4, 7, 10, 13? A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. 3. And the answer is letter D. 3. And you got it right. Number 3. What is the common difference in the sequence? Negative 4, 3, 10, 17. A. 1. B. Negative 7. C. 7. D. Negative 1. What's the correct answer? And you are right. It is letter C. 7. Number 4. Which of the following is a missing term of the arithmetic sequence? Negative 1, negative 7, negative 19, negative 25. A. Negative 10. B. Negative 11. C. Negative 12. D. Negative 13. The correct answer is letter D. Negative 13. Very good. Number 5. Which of the following is a common difference of the arithmetic sequence? Negative 1, negative 8, negative 15, negative 22. A. Negative 5. B. Negative 6. C. Negative 7. D. Negative 8. The correct answer is letter C. Negative 7. Correct. Kindly continue answering the remaining items number 6 to 15 in your answer sheet after our session this afternoon. In the previous module, you have learned that a sequence is an arrangement of objects, numbers, or even figures which follow a pattern. Also, you have learned about processes in finding patterns of any sequence. Look at the following sequences. Can you see the specific pattern they follow? We will start with the first sequence, 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the pattern of the sequence? Very good, by adding 2 to the preceding term. What about the second sequence? 3, 6, 12, 24. Can you give the pattern it follows? Correct, by multiplying 2 to the preceding term. That's good. Looks like you really know how to identify patterns. How about sequence number 3? 5, 10, 15, 20. What is the pattern? Check, by adding 5 to the preceding term. Well done! Let us now proceed to the next activity. Observe the following sequences. Can you give the next two terms of the following sequences? What are the terms for sequence number 1? 4, 7, 10, 13. If you get 16 and 19 in item 1, then you are correct. Notice that a constant number 3 is added to the preceding term to get the next term. What are the terms for sequence number 2? 33, 38, 43, 48. In item 2, 5 is added to the preceding term to get the next term. While in items 3, 4, and 5, the numbers -4, -2, and 1/2 are added to the preceding term respectively to get the next terms. How did you get those terms? Notice that a constant or a common number is added to the preceding term or the number before it to get the next term in each of the sequences above. The constant number being added is called the common difference and is represented as D. All these sequences are called arithmetic sequence. To find the common difference denoted by D, you can simply subtract the second term a sub 2 by the first term a sub 1. We have a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Subtract the third term a sub 3 by the second term a sub 2, then we have a sub 3 minus a sub 2. Subtract the fourth term a sub 4 by the third term a sub 3, therefore we have a sub 4 minus a sub 3. In general, subtract a term a sub n by its preceding term. Then we have D is equal to a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. What is then an arithmetic sequence? A sequence in which term after the first is formed by adding a fixed number to the preceding term is called an arithmetic sequence. The fixed number or constant is called the common difference denoted by D. From discussion on arithmetic sequence earlier, answer the problems found in activity 1. Number 1. Determine if the sequence is arithmetic or not. If it is, find the common difference and the next three terms of the sequence. -4, 3, 10, 17. In the sequence negative 4, 3, 10, 17, negative 4 is our a sub 1, 3 is our a sub 2, 10 is our a sub 3, and 17 is our a sub 4. To find out if the sequence is arithmetic, there must be a common difference between any two consecutive terms in the sequence. Therefore, a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to 3 minus quantity negative 4 equals 7. A sub 3 minus a sub 2 is equal to 10 minus 3 equals 7. A sub 4 minus a sub 3 is equal to 17 minus 10 equals 7. Because there is a common difference between two consecutive terms, therefore the sequence is arithmetic. The next three terms are obtained by adding 7 to the preceding term. Therefore, a sub 5 is equal to a sub 4 plus 7 is equal to 17 plus 7. A sub 5 is equal to 24. A sub 6 is equal to a sub 5 plus 7 is equal to 24 plus 7. A sub 6 is equal to 31. A sub 7 is equal to a sub 6 plus 7 is equal to 31 plus 7. A sub 7 is equal to 38. So the next three terms are 24, 31, 38. Number 2. Write the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence with 5 as the first term and with a common difference of negative 2. To get the terms, we will add the common difference or the constant to the preceding term. Given that our a sub 1 is equal to 5, for the second term we will have a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity negative 2 is equal to 5 minus 2. Second term is equal to 3. For the third term, a sub 3 is equal to a sub 2 plus quantity negative 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 equals 1. Fourth term, a sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 plus quantity negative 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 equals negative 1. Fifth term, a sub 5 is equal to a sub 4 plus quantity negative 2 is equal to negative 1 minus 2 equals negative 3. So the first 5 terms of the sequence are 5, 3, 1, negative 1, and negative 3. There is another way of finding the specified term of an arithmetic sequence, but it will be discussed in the next module. The same thing is true for the general term of any arithmetic sequence. Number 3. Find the common difference of an arithmetic sequence whose a sub 1 is equal to 1 and a sub 5 is equal to 7. Remember that to find a term, we will add the common difference to the preceding term. For instance, a sub 3 is equal to a sub 2 plus d for equation 1. A sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 plus d for equation 2. While a sub 5 is equal to a sub 4 plus d for equation 3. To get our equation 4, we will substitute a sub 3 in equation 1 to equation 2. So we will have a sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 plus d. A sub 4 is equal to quantity a sub 2 plus d plus d. A sub 4 is equal to a sub 2 plus 2d for equation 4. While to get our equation 5, we will simply substitute a sub 4 in equation 4 to equation 3. So we will have a sub 5 is equal to a sub 4 plus d. A sub 5 is equal to quantity a sub 2 plus 2d plus d. A sub 5 is equal to a sub 2 plus 3d for equation 5. And finally, to get our equation 6, we will simply substitute the given in equation 5. So we will have a sub 5 is equal to a sub 2 plus 3d. So a sub 5, that is 7, is equal to 1 plus 3d for equation 6. To find the common difference, we will solve for d in equation 6. Therefore, we will have 7 is equal to 1 plus 3d. Subtract 1 from both sides, we will have 7 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 3d. So we have 6 is equal to 3d. Divide both sides with 3, that is 6 divided by 3 is equal to 3d divided by 3. So the final answer is 2 is equal to d. So the common difference is 2. Number 4. Find the common difference of the arithmetic sequence 3a minus 1, 3a, 3a plus 1. We must remember that in an arithmetic sequence, the common difference d is a term minus the preceding term. Thus, d is equal to a sub 2 minus a sub 1 for equation 1, or d is equal to a sub 3 minus a sub 2 for equation 2. If we use equation 1 and substitute the given, we have d is equal to 3a minus quantity 3a minus 1. Removing the parentheses, we will have d is equal to 3a minus 3a plus 1. If we simplify, we will obtain d is equal to 1. So the common difference is 1. Kindly continue answering numbers 5 and 6 found in page 8 of your learning module right after our session. With all the activities and problems that we have solved, I'm sure that by this time it will be very easy for you to answer these questions. What is an arithmetic sequence? How do we get the next terms of an arithmetic sequence? And that ends our session this afternoon. Don't forget to answer what I know, Assessment 1, Activity 1 in What I Can Do, Assessment, and the additional activity found in your module. Hope you enjoyed and learned many things in our session today. It's fun being with you today, and always remember, math is fun. So take it easy and enjoy answering. Stay at home and be safe. Goodbye!